English for daily life.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little tired.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I like learning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, every day.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a bath?
Yes, I take a bath.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
Do you do homework?
Yes, I do homework.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you cook food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I use a phone.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I like YouTube.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you like stories?
Yes, I love stories.
Do you write every day?
Yes, I write daily.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I love singing.
Do you dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, every day.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like mangoes?
Yes, I love mangoes.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I eat rice.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat meat.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you feel hungry?
Yes, I feel hungry.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What time is it?
It is 5 o'clock.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I wear a watch.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go often.
Do you go to the zoo?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, every week.
Do you go to the library?
Yes, I love books.
Do you go to the hospital?
Yes, when sick.
Do you go to the beach?
Yes, in summer.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I traveled by bus.
Do you travel by train?
Yes, I like trains.
Do you travel by car?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I walk.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride a bicycle.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I like them.
Do you want to fly?
Yes, I want to fly.
Do you want to travel the world?
Yes, I want to travel.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping.
Do you buy clothes?
Yes, I buy clothes.
Do you buy shoes?
Yes, I buy shoes.
Do you like markets?
Yes, I like markets.
Do you like malls?
Yes, I like malls.
Do you like city life?
Yes, I like city life.
Do you like village life?
Yes, I like village life.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Why do you want to be a teacher?
Because I love helping students learn.
Do you like your school life?
Yes, it's fun and full of friends.
What subject do you like the most?
I like English the most.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is kind and patient.
What time do your classes start?
They start at 8 o'clock in the morning.
How do you go to school?
I usually go by bus.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and play with friends.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, it helps me learn new words.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and adventure movies.
Do you use English at work or school?
Yes, I try to speak every day.
Do you study alone or with friends?
I study with my friends.
Do you read English books?
Yes, I read easy storybooks.
What book did you read last week?
I read a story about a brave girl.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I listen while walking.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.